Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I am happy and excited to share the limited edition spooky box. This is for 2025. This is a limited edition subscription box that you can get at Fat Quarter Shop. There are 4 of them in a year. This happens to be Halloween themed, and then there's also a Christmas themed box. There is a 4th of July themed box, and then there is also a Valentine's Day themed box. To reserve this box, it was $4.99 plus tax. There was a pre-order price of $40.99 plus shipping and tax. And if you want to purchase it now, it is still available at the Fat Quarter Shop for $50.98. All right, when you open your box, there's always a cute little message here. This one says bobbins and broomsticks. And then it says limited edition 2025 spooky box, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, with a little kitty cat. And then on the sides of the box and things like that, there's cute little candy corn and pumpkins and moons and bats and all the cute little things that go along with Halloween. All right, on the back, we do have a coupon here for 15% off Halloween yardage. Inside, we always get this foldable little insert here. It tells us the contents of our box as well as the price of each item. I will go ahead and total this up at the very end to let you know if we had any savings. First up here are these Frightweb Scissors by Kelmscott Designs. They retail for $14.98. And it says, don't get tangled in a frightful mess. Your Frightweb Scissors will cut through any spooky stitching situation with ease. Designed with web-shaped handles in classic Halloween black and orange, these clever snips are lightweight, easy to hold, and sharp as they seem. They glide through fabric like a spider on silk and add a touch of haunting charm to any notion set. Whether you're trimming tiny terrors or crafting keepsakes for your Halloween traditions, these scissors are wickedly wonderful. Okay, we'll check out online if these are available for purchase. I do know that a lot of these box items are totally exclusive to the box and you can't get them anywhere else. All right, here we go. These look extremely sharp. All right, they have a really interesting like snip. I don't even know what to call that, but it's really interesting. Kind of looks like a like calligraphy pen or something, like a calligraphy tip. Let's see. Okay, and they have a really good size for your fingers. They're not too snug. All right, cool. All right, this is something that I know a lot of people are going to be excited to receive. I get asked about atomizing spray bottles all the time. So this is a spooky spray bottle by Fat Quarter Shop. It does retail for $9.98. It says it is an exclusive. Okay, so you can only get this in the box. Oh, well, it says Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. It doesn't say box exclusive. So maybe this will be on their website. Like I said, I'll check it out and see. I'll put it down below. It says keep your blocks flat, seams crisp, and sewing spirits lifted with a little spooky spritz from the spooky spray bottle. Made of clear plastic and decorated with cats, stars, and moons, it's an enchanting as it is practical. The nozzle works at an angle to deliver a fine mist that smooths and tames wrinkles, while the continuous spray reduces hand strain. Holding 6 3/4 ounce of your preferred solution, this bottle is a bewitching addition to your pressing tool set. I'll show you the design up really close. All right, cats, moons, stars. And I do use this a lot when I long arm, actually. Like if I have just a little bit of quilt wrinkles, I don't iron. I don't even find that you really need that. You just put some water in here and you just spray it down and kind of, smooth it out, and it does a great job. All right, next up we have this cute little spooky cat enamel charm. This is by Fat Quarter Shop as well. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Retails for $8.98. And it says, is it just your imagination or is something peeking at you from the shadows? 2 wide eyes glimmer from the corner, not a ghost, but your favorite feline friend. This spooky cat enamel charm features an adorable black cat perched in front of a glowing crescent moon with its glossy coat catching the light just right. With a silver clasp for easy clipping, it's perfect anywhere you want a touch of sparkle, a hint of superstition, or a dash of feline flair. This is super cute. So right now my kids are obviously all in school, and these are great little zipper charms for their backpacks, just to kind of add, like it says, a little bit of flair. But you could also put these on a pair of scissors. You can put these on your sewing machine bag, just anywhere that you can clasp this on. Keychain. All right, this next item we all love so much. These are the June Taylor Quilt As You Go Spooky Mug Mats. Okay, this is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive as well. It retails for $8.48. And it says, brew a cup and ease into spooky season with the Spooky Mug Mats Quilt As You Go kit. This easy kit is just the thing for a cozy afternoon of crafting and Halloween fun. Your mug mats will be a hit with guests, schools, and all who love some seasonal spirit. With printed batting and statement blocks for 2 mug mats, easy to follow instructions, and a helpful video to guide you, you're in for a treat. Okay, you will need 4 to 6 fat quarters for the front and 2 fat quarters for the back. And what it is it's actually printed on, it's hard to see, but it's printed on batting here. And so you go ahead and just sew on the lines on the batting. Here's a little diagram up in the corner as well, if you can see that. Hopefully it focuses. There you go. So you just kind of sew by number. And then it does look like the fabric is included for these cute little panels here. All right, next up we do have our fabric. This is called Pumpkin Sitting Hay. Pumpkin Sitting Hay Pumpkin. Pumpkin Sitting Hay Pumpkin Fat Quarter Bundle by My Mind's Eye for Riley Blake Designs. That was quite a mouthful. It does retail for $34.98. Sink your teeth into this frightfully fun Fat Quarter Bundle. Hey Pumpkin by My Mind's Eye is oozing with playful patterns and candy-colored charm, including friendly ghost smiling pumpkins and twinkling stars. This 12-piece Fat Quarter Bundle features peachy pinks, deep charcoal, pumpkin orange, and creamy marshmallow. So perfect for stitching up anything that needs a little Halloween sparkle. Your projects are bound to be beautiful. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open this up and show you guys the fabrics. If you don't want to see that, I will go ahead and put up the color card here for all of the fabrics in this line. All right, finally we have our quilt pattern. So this is the pumpkin sitting. Okay, that's why it said Pumpkin Sitting Hay Pumpkin Fat Quarter Bundle. Okay, gotcha. All right, so this is the Pumpkin Sitting quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. It is a spooky box exclusive. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely making this, you guys. Look at that cute little cat on top as well. All right, this does retail for $9.98 if I haven't said that yet. It is designed exclusively for the 2025 Spooky Box. The Pumpkin Sitting quilt pattern is a treat to sew and even sweeter to show off to your ghoul friends. This adorable quilt features patchwork pumpkins, sweetly stacked up with a mischievous black cat peeking in to keep things spooky. It's a patchwork party that captures the spirit of the spooky season in every square. Limited finishing kits are available at Fat Quarter Shop. Those kits are still available, I did see. Okay, so this is 44.5 by 48.5, so personally I'd make that one larger. All right, that's more of a wall hanging to me than a like a lap quilt. All right, here are the fabric requirements. Okay. All right, so if you remember in the beginning of the video, I did say that it was $4.99 to reserve this box, and it was $40.99 plus shipping and tax to send this box to me. So let's go ahead and see what the total was that we saved. So I added up all of the items in our box, and it came to $82.09 is what this box is valued at. Let's go ahead and subtract what we paid for the reservation fee as well as the box fee. All right, so when I subtracted both of those items, we did get $36.11 in savings. That is absolutely amazing. I want to hear what your favorite item is from this box. I think for me, it might be the pumpkin pattern. I just think that is so adorable, especially with the cute little cat up there. I really love the quilt as you go placemats as well, or mug rugs, I guess, and the fabric's super cute. Let me know, and I can't wait to see you guys next time, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye, everybody.